pattern it a little bit. But there's some funny things. I was with my girlfriend the other day, and before we, because obviously I don't eat pork, not because of religion, I just don't eat pork.
Vegan.
I'm not a vegan. I don't know why I reacted.
Hey yo, this nigga's a vegan.
She doesn't eat pork. She doesn't eat pork either. Well, she stopped, and then was out for brunch with her friends, and they got a side with bacon. Oof. And she had some. I was like, whoa.
Time out. Traveling double dribble. Double dribble.
Wait.
Flagrant foul. Technical.
Wait. I need the VAR. Do you eat pork?
What she say?
She was like, yeah, it's there. I haven't had it in a while. I was like, oh, so everyone is a kuffar at the table.
Bad cuffs, bro.
Everyone is mad.
Bad cuffs at the table.
Everyone is crazy.
Oh,
all this time I thought you weren't eating pork, and now I didn't know who you are.
I don't know who you are anymore.
Betrayal.
But because we've got to that part where we kind of went through the shit we didn't like about each other early on. Stuff like that isn't a massive surprise because she's like, well, there's a piece of pork in it. No. If I was Muslim and it was more deeper to me, and then I started to see you eat pork, I was like, nah, we gotta cut this.
It ain't nothing to cut that bitch out. Listen, it's mad, mate.
But I can imagine that if it was, for example, if it was you and that you was dating someone who didn't eat pork, and then all of a sudden, just a slice of bacon.
I'd be like, wait. Like, the thing is, I've dated people who don't eat pork in it, but if you tell me you don't eat pork and I see you eat pork, I'll be like, what are you doing? Yeah. It's like if you say you don't eat meat and I see you eat meat, I'm like, brother.
It wasn't.
This is a new development.
Yeah, it wasn't what you were doing.
When did you change?
Like you've told me this ain't a thing.
Yeah.
And now you're eating pork. What's next? You smoking cigarettes? Are you doing cocaine?
Oh my god.
That's a fact. Yeah.
Hey, that's what my man goes. Pork to cocaine.
Listen, honestly, a girl told me casually she did cocaine. I said, hey. I said, what?
Happened to me as well.
I said, what?
She's like, have you ever done cocaine? I was like, absolutely not.
Honestly.
She's like, have you? She's like, yeah. I was like,
honestly.
Trust me. Like, if you've tried it, I'm at this age where you did what you did in it, whatever. Yeah, but like, if you're literally doing cocaine every Thursday, I can't do that.
No. You can't be actively doing cocaine.
No.
If you did cocaine,
if you dabbled, if you experienced it, I mean, I didn't. But hey, you did what you wanted to do.
But I can't be at home. Yeah, we're at home watching Temptation Island. I'm laying on your breast, and then fucking Jesse calls you, and you're like, "Oh, me and Jesse are going out. We're gonna go do some cooking." You're not leaving this house with me. In it. We're having an argument. It's like you're not leaving me to go do cocaine.
Yeah. We're not communicating.
Don't tell me.
We're having an argument.
Do not tell me to hold your purse and I see like coke in it.
We're fighting.
I'm leaving.
We're fighting.
We're having a beef.
Yeah, we're having an argument.